What is a one-sided limit? A one-sided limit is the value that y or f of x approaches as x approaches a particular value either from the left or from the right. Let us illustrate. We have here a graph of a function, let's call it f of x. The questions are, what is the limit of f of x as x approaches 1 from the left? And what is the limit of f of x as x approaches 1 from the right? So, this negative and positive, which look like exponents, refer to from the left and from the right. Okay? Now, how do we find the answers? Let's start with x approaches 1 from the left. If x approaches 1 from the left, that means to say that this is the part of the graph that we are referring to. Imagine that you are a point traversing this path, okay? As you go near the value of x equals 1, then the value of y approaches also the value 2. Therefore, this limit of f of x as x approaches 1 from the left equals 2. On the other hand, as x approaches 1 from the right, so since this is x equals 1, okay, from the right means this part of the graph, okay? So imagine now this point again traversing this path, then as it approaches a value of x which is equal to 1, okay? As x approaches 1 from the right, we can see that the y value approaches 3. Therefore, the limit of f of x as x approaches 1 from the right equals 3. The limit, okay, from the left is also called the left-hand limit, and the limit from the right is also called the right-hand limit. Okay, did you get that? Let us have some more examples. Okay, we have the same graph. This is the graph of f of x. Questions are, what is the limit of f of x as x approaches negative 1 from the right? Yun ang negative 1. What is the limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the left? Ayun naman ang 2. And then, what is the limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the right? And what is the limit of f of x as x approaches 4 from the left? Okay, think about your answers. The limit of f of x as x approaches negative 1 from the right is equal to, ayun ang negative 1. So, from the right, imagine that you are a dot passing through this path, okay? As you go to negative 1 coming from the right, okay, what value does the value of y approach? It's 4. So, the answer is 4. Yan. What about the limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the left? How do we get the answer? Ito yung 2. So, imagine na you are traveling or traversing this path, okay, and then you approach positive 2 from the left. What does y approach? It approached the value negative 1. So, the answer is negative 1. Next, what is the limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the right? Ito yung 2. From the right. So, hindi pwede dito kasi this is from the left. You will approach 2 from the right. So, dito. And there is the curve. Okay, if you are the point traversing this curve and you will, okay, approach x equals 2, then the value of y will approach 5. Yan. And the limit of f of x as x approaches 4 from the left, ito naman ang 4, and then from the left, ibig sabihin, okay, parang magta-travel ka dyan sa curve, papunta ka sa 4. From the left, ibig sabihin pakanan ka. And y approaches the value 2. Okay? Now, let's have some more examples. Number 2. Find the indicated limits for the function g of x equals x squared if x is less than or equal to 2, and 8 minus 2x if x is greater than 2. What is limit of g of x as x approaches 2 from the left, and what is limit of g of x as x approaches 2 from the right? This time, you are no longer given the graph, so you cannot physically see the limits, but we can calculate the limits. Okay? As we have learned before, we can also find the limits by substitution. But there are two equations, okay? So again, this is a piecewise defined function because it is composed of two equations, okay? Now, which equation will we use? Let's see. This says that x approaches 2 from the left. So, we are going to use the first one because this is when x is less than or equal to 2. So, the numbers at the left of 2 are less than or equal to 2. So, this is the correct equation. Therefore, we're going to substitute, and that will be limit of x squared as x approaches 2 from the left. And we will now substitute 2. That is equal to 2 squared and equals 4. Okay, did you get that? For the second one, limit of g of x as x approaches 2 from the right. So x approaches 2 from the right. So when we say x is greater than 2, then these values of x are at the right of 2. Therefore, we are going to use the second equation. So it's equal to the limit of 8 minus 2x as x approaches 2 from the right. Then we substitute 2. That is 8 minus 2 times 2, or 8 minus 4. And final answer equals 4. Okay, do you have any question? Example 3. Find the indicated limits for the function h of x equals 3x minus 5 if x is less than negative 3, 2x squared plus 4 if x is greater than or equal to negative 3 but less than or equal to 3, and square root of x squared minus 5 if x is greater than 3. First question, what is the limit of h of x as x approaches negative 3 from the left? And what is the limit of h of x as x approaches negative 3 from the right? So for the first question, this is x approaches negative 3 from the left. So we are pertaining to the left of negative 3. So we're going to use the first one. Yan. So it's equal to the limit of quantity 3x minus 5 as x approaches negative 3 from the left. And now that we have identified the correct equation, okay, we can now substitute negative 3. So this is equal to 3 times negative 3 minus 5, which is equal to negative 9 minus 5 equals negative 14. For the second question, the limit of h of x as x approaches negative 3 from the right. So negative 3 from the right, which equation will we use? First, second, or third? Right, we're going to use the second equation because we are referring to the right of negative 3. So, x must be greater than or equal to negative 3. Ito yon. So, we're going to use 2x squared plus 4. So, that is equal to limit of 2x squared plus 4 as x approaches negative 3 from the right. Then we now substitute negative 3. 2 times negative 3 squared plus 4. Negative 3 squared is 9. So, 2 times 9 is 18. And then plus 4. Finally, the answer is 22.